ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಭಗವತೆ ವಿರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಾಯ. We come to the 33rd day reading of Sri Viveka Chudamani. We come to the 60th topic, Atmanishta Vidhanamu. The spiritual growth, secret of the spiritual growth. ಅಂತರ್ಬಹಿಸ್ವಂ ಸ್ಥಿರಜಂಗಮೇಶು ಜ್ಞಾನಾತ್ಮನಾಧಾರತೆಯ ವಿಲೋಕ್ಯ ತ್ಯಕ್ತಾಖಿಲೋಪಾಧಿರಖಂಡರೂಪಃ ಪೂರ್ಣಾತ್ಮನಾಯ ಸ್ಥಿತಯೇಷ ಮುಕ್ತಃ. ಸ್ಥಿರಜಂಗಮೇಶು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಅಂತಃ, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಬಹಿ, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಜ್ಞಾನಾತ್ಮನ, ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ thing of knowledge alone. Adharatayah swam atma. So what is supporting all these sthira, jangama, everything? Vilokya, having understood the swam atma. Tyakta akhilopadhi, tyaktva, having given up. Akhila upadhi, all the other supports, other supporting things, actually realizing the original support of everything. Tyakta akhilopadhi. Akhanda rupaha, which is uninterrupted by the time or space. Akhanda rupaha. Yaha purnatmana sthita, who has established in that purna atma. Yeshaha muktaha, he only is liberated. Sarvatmana bandha vimukti hetuhu sarvatma bhavan na parosti kachit drisyagrahe satyupapadyate sau sarvatma bhavo sya sadatma nishtaya. Sarvatma bhavana, considering everything as self. Sarvatma bhavana, bhava vimukti, bandha vimukti hetuhu. Sarvatma bhavat paraha kaschit nasti. There is no other thing other than understanding the atma as support of everything. Sarvatma bhavatma paraha kaschit nasti. Nishtaya, atmanishtaya drusyagrahe sati, by establishing in that substratum drusya agrahe sati, once transcending above the drusyas, asya asau sarvatma bhavaha upapadyate. So having established in the fundamental support sarvatma, in that transcending all the drusyas, then asau, in that sarvatma bhavaha upapadyate. So this is two slokas. Shankara actually gave the Atmanishta Vidhanam, how to get established in the Sarvatma Bhava, all as self. Sarvatmatva Mahavibhuti Sahitam Syadiswaratvam Punaha. That's what in the Dakshinamurti Stotra also he uses. So this Sarvatma Bhava is a very important bhava or an attitude which keeps the realized person without moving or slipping away from there. Then Sadatmanishta. So drusyasya grahanam kadhanna ghatate dehatmana tishtataha bahyarthanubhava prasakta manasaha tatat kriyam kurvataha. तत्वज्ञै करणीयमान आत्मनि सदानंदे शुद्धिर्यत्नतः. देहात्मना तिष्ठतः, one who is sitting with the feeling of the body is I am. Bahyardhanubhava prasakta manasaha, so the mind which is hankering for the external objective experiences. सोम चिंता संकल्प काम तत्क्रियां कुर्वतः performing those actions given by those दृश्यस्य आग्रहणम. How is it possible one who is completely established or based or depending on the external objects? It is not possible. That's why sanyasta akhila dharma karma vishayaihi. That's why one should give up all that akhila dharma karma vishayaihi, all the nature and all the actions, all the natural actions. Nityatmanistha paraihi, always getting established, always established in chubhihi, always establishing tattvajnaihi. So Nitya Atmanishta is what is being suggested or prescribed by Sankara here. Sarvatmya siddhaye bhiksho kruta sravana karmana samadhim vidhatyesha santodanta iti srutihi. Having heard the Vakyas, Vedavakya, Kruta Sravana, having heard the injunctions by completing hearing Sravana from the Guru of the Vedanta Vakya, Bhikshoho, one who has taken up the Bhikshaka Vritti, given up sannyasi, Sarvatma Siddhaye, for getting established in the Sarvatma, Yesha Syanto Danta iti Sruti, Tasmad evam vichanto dantaha uparata stitikshaha samahitaha sraddhavinto bhutyatmanyeva bhutva atmanyeva atmanam pasyet. So this Shruti samahitaha antahkaranam, so not leaving the internal instrument mind to go out, controlling it, samahitaha, bahya vritti, stopping the bahya vritti. Then arudha saktye rahamo vinasaha kartum na sakyaha sahasapi panditaihi yenirvikalpakhya samadhi nischala stanantaranta bhavahi vasanaha. Here samadhi is being explained by Sankara. So samadhi is of two types, savikalpa, nirvikalpa. So when the triad of knower, knowing and the known object is there, still in all of them there is equality of thought or oneness of the thought, with the slightest distinction of this triad being surviving, that is called savikalpa samadhi. So samadhi will be broken and person comes back into the original model before samadhi. Nirvikalpa is when there is this triad is no longer considered real or realized as this triad not being there, that is nirvikalpa samadhi. So arudha sakte rahamo vinasaha, nirvikalpakhya samadhi nischalaha. Once nirvikalpa samadhi tan antara, other than those, even a great pandita, panditai api arudha sakte ahamaha vinasaha sahasa segraha. So it is not possible even for a great Pandita, one who has studied all these things, to get established in Nirvikalpa Samadhi without the practice. So practice is, so once the Vikshepa Shakti, Aham Buddhyeva Mohinya Yojayatye Avruter Balat Vikshepa Shakti Purusham Vikshepayati Tadgunaihi. Yadhapakrishnam Saivalam. So the example of the moss on the water, like even a minute we leave it, it will come back and occupy the water. In the same way, the power of Vikshepa Shakti will cover up the reality of the self. Then Vikshepayati tad gunaihi. So here विक्षेपशक्ति विजयो विषमो विधातुं निःशेषमावरणशक्ति निवृत्य भावे दृग्दृश्ययोः स्फुटपयोजलवद्विभागे न स्येत् तदावरणमात्मनि च स्वभावात् निस्संशयेन भवति प्रतिबन्धशून्यो विक्षेपणं न हि तथा यदि चेन्मृषार्थे. So sputagnyana, a doubtless knowledge. Knowledge or the wisdom or realization beyond all possible doubts is what is important. Nissesham avarana sakti nivrutti abhave. So without any remaining residues, the avarana sakti is not removed. Vikshepa sakti vijayaha, just winning over the projective energy. Vidhatum vishamaha is difficult. You cannot avoid the projection as long as the covering ignorance is not won over. I will control the projection, external projection. I will still sit in the internal ignorance. Will not work. That attitude will not work. So, payojalavat, like the hamsa, the swan which separates the milk and water, one mixed from the milk and water, drugdrusya yoho, of the drashta, the one who is being aware of all the drusya, and the drusya itself need to be separated. Drugdrusya yo vibhage atmani tada swabhavat avaranam nasyeta. So here is a advice again, as a teaching given, saying that one who has to completely separate out what is the drik and what is drashta. What is seen is not the seer. So only after removing any atma drishti in the drishya, one can, the projection can be removed. So projection is a nature, you cannot fight with the projection. You cannot win over the projection unless winning over the ignorance, the vikshepa sakti vijayaha. So vikshepa sakti vijaya nissamsayena pratibandha shunya bhavati only when anatma in the drisya manasaha vikshepanam nachedyadi, pravrutti is not there. So mind is not getting into the anatma vishayaha. सम्यग् विवेकः स्फुटबोधजन्यो विभज्य दृग्दृश्य पदार्थतत्त्वं छिनत्ति मायाकृत मोहबन्धं यस्माद् विमुक्तस्य पुनर्न संश्रुतिः. सम्यग् विवेकः, after having स्फुटबोधजन्यः, without any doubts, bodha, the awareness, arrived after arriving at Brahmasatyam Jaganmidhya, thus Vakyas, Drigdusya Padartha Tattvam, Anatma, Atma Yadardha Swarupa. So one should know the Anatma and Atma's distinction. Vibhajya, like milk and water, water and milk, otherwise Anatma water, Atma as milk. Mayakruta Mohabandham, Anatma, once it is Chinatti, broken away, yasmat vimuktasya punaha samsruti not there. Paravarai katta viveka vahnihi dhahatya vidyagahanam hyashesham kimsyat punah samsaranasya bija advaita bhavam samupeyushosyaha avaranasya nivurtir bhavati samyak padartha darsanataha मिथ्याज्ञान विनाशः तद्वद् विक्षेपजनित दुःख निवृत्ति. So here in these two things, there is an important concept is being told. The three things will go away with avaranasya nivrittir bhavati. Once the ignorance is removed, samyak padartha darshanata, the original nature of the padartha is seen. Mithyaඥāna vinasaha, the projection will be destroyed on its own. Tadvad vikshepajanita dukkha nivrutti. Along with the projection is removed, from the projection what has come, the dukkha, the misery is also removed. So, for going back to our rope and snake thing, once the snake is seen in the rope, snake's qualities are seen. Rope's original qualities are not seen. rope is round and it has no hood and all. But in the snake is seen with a hood and tail and with spots on it on the rope where they are not there. These new qualities will be visible. By seeing the snake, the fear comes out. Fear of snake is the Tadvad Vikshepa Janita Dukha is coming. So seeing the world's misery is coming up. The true nature of the Atma is being concealed. So only revealing the true nature of the Atma, the three things will go. Samyak Padartha Darshanaha, the original true nature of the Atma will be known, that is one thing. And also the false nature of the falsely attributed qualities and attributes and projection of the world is gone. And also because of the false attribution, whatever is coming, those things also will be gone. With this, then the next topic of a few slokas is called Adhishtana Nirupanamu. Etat tritayam drashtam samyag rajju swarupa vijnanat tasmad vastu satatvam jnatavyam bandhamuktaye vidushaha. Samyag, so this whatever I have told is Adhishtana Nirupana. So there is existence of Atma. It is not that we are removing Anatma and leaving emptiness, leaving the void or leaving nothing there. So, Yatat Tritayam Drushtam Samyak Rajjurupa Vijnanat Tasmad Vastu Satatvam Jnatavyam Bandhamuktaye Vidushaha. Example is being for this. Ayogni Yogadiva Sattvamanvaya Matradi Rupena Vijrumbhate Dhihi Tatkaryametat Tritayam Yuto Mrusha Drushtam Brahmaswapna Manorodheshu. Agni Yogat, by keeping the Ayaha iron ball along with the Agni, along with the charcoal, after sufficiently long time, the ball of iron also looks like a charcoal. Agni Yogat Ayayivaha Satyamanvayat Dhi, by the intellect, kept for a long time with the Atma, it is doing pramiti. I am the knower. It is getting I am knowing. This knowing is the quality of, not the quality of the intellect. Pramata, I am knowing something. So this kind of prameya. So the three things are coming up: knower, knowing, and the object of the knowledge. Vijrumbhate. So this redness means the radiation coming from the Ayaha is all from the Agni only, of the fire only. It is not its own radiation, but it appears as if it is having own power. Tato vikaraha prakruteraham mukhaha dehavasana vishayascha sarve kshananyadha bhavina yesha atma nodeti napyeti kadapi nanyadha. Tataha, that's why the dhi karya, everything is done by the mind. Midhya bhotaha, aham mukhaha, they are all saying, I am the doer. Aham mukhaha midhya bhotaha. Prakrutehe vikaraha, all those are the vikaras of Prakruti. Sarve vishayascha kshane anyadha bhavinaha, in the every second the transforming things are always diminishing or dying of nature. They are not permanent nature. They are not truth. Yesha Atma, only Atma alone, Kadapi Nodeti, which is never arisen. Atma has never born. Napyeti, it won't die as well. Anyadha Bhavati, it won't change as well. It will not change like the mind is changing or the intellect is changing. Nityadvaya khanda chideka rupo buddhyadi sakshi sadasad vilakshanaha ahampada pritya lakshitarthaha prityak padarthananda gadha paratma. now positively affirming the Atma, Adhisthana is there, the Atma is there. Nitya Advaya Akhanda Chideka Rupaha. Nitya Advaya Akhanda Chideka Rupaha. All these words are very familiar to us. Sadasad Vilakshanaha, different from the known existence and non-existence. Aham Pada Pratyaya Lakshitartha. What is known as I in all the references to I, the real I, Aham Pada Pratyaya Lakshitartha. Anywhere, anybody, anything refers to I, that is actually referring to this Atma. Pratyak Padananda Ghanaha, Pratyak Rupa, which is in innermost core of everything, that is Paratma. Itham Vipaschit Sadasad Vibhajya Nischitya Tattvam Nijabodha Drushtya Jnatva Swamatmana Makhanda Bodham Tebhyo Vimuktaha Swayameva Samyati. So 353 sloka number. Itham, by this way, Vipaschit, taking the Shruti as Pramana, hearing it through a realized sage, doing Manana, doing Nididhyasana, doing the contemplation over it, realizing it bit by bit, giving it away what is not Atma and establishing in what is Atma. Sat Asat Vibhajya Nijabodha Drushtya, for the sake of by the own experience, Nijabodha Drushtya, by looking through the own experiential view, Tattvam Vinischitya, by understanding the true nature of things, Tattvam Swam Akhanda Bodham, establishing the own self as the infinite awareness, Tebhyaha Atmanam Jnatva, that Atma, that has the Akhanda Bodha as the Jnatva, knowing, realizing the Akhanda Bodha, Tebhyaha, from all the avidya to the ahankara, all the grossest to subtlest upadhis, whatever is there, one who has given up all those things, giving up all the vasanas, swayameva samyati, naturally one, everything becomes peaceful, samyati, all the things will settle naturally. With this, we will close today's reading, which covered two topics. Swasti.